So this is my awesome 28-inch Blackstone Adventure Ready griddle that I was ready to throw in the garbage last week because I could not get it lit. I was getting zero gas flow through the regulator, and I went on the Blackstone website and I went to the support and I put 2 tickets in and I got answers back, but the answers weren't what I was looking for. They kept telling me to reset the regulator, reset the regulator. Well, I reset the regulator about 100 times and it never would light. This is the old regulator right here. This is the one that comes with the Blackstone griddle, and it's junk. That's the bottom line. I did everything you could do to this thing. I reset it 1,000,000 times. I poured hot water on it. I beat on it with a wrench. I finally had enough, and I went on Amazon and I got this new regulator I'm going to show you in a minute. I want to take the top off of it and show you how great it works now, and you'll see what I'm talking about and how I was able to repair it by replacing the regulator. And I'll put a link in the description to the Amazon link to the regulator that I bought if you want to buy one for your own Blackstone griddle. This is a 2-burner griddle, but this regulator will work with 2, 3, 4 burner, whatever, single burner too. I'll show you that in a second, so stay tuned. I'm going to take the top off this thing. So this is the new regulator that I bought off of Amazon, and like I said, I'll put a link in the description if you want to buy one just like it. It's a variable regulator, and what it does is, you see this red knob right here, you can use that knob to increase or decrease the PSI of propane. And I've got it set at about, I think, 2.5 to 3 pounds of pressure coming out. It doesn't take much to run the griddle. The tank pressure is like 20 psi. So you can't use 20 psi, the thing will burn up. It's really easy to change. All you need is a couple of wrenches. You need a 5/8 wrench and a 3/4 wrench. The 3/4 wrench is for the, this is the fitting that's on the griddle, the 3/4. And if you go underneath your griddle, you'll see where this thing connects. I was going to show you the underneath, but I would have to tip the thing up, and it's kind of a hassle. But it's really easy to do. All you got to do is have those 2 wrenches, a 5/8 and a 3/4. You need the 5/8 to hold the burner part. You take the 3/4 and loosen it, replace this thing, connect it to the tank like I have it here. Let me show you how good this thing works now. I could not get it lit. I tried and tried. On Easter Sunday I had a big breakfast planned and I couldn't cook it because I couldn't get it lit. Then a couple of days later I reset, finally got it lit, and then when I went to use it again, it's the same thing again, no burner. So then on Mother's Day I planned another big cook, and again I wasn't able to cook. But now I can cook to my heart's desire. All I got to do is turn the gas on whenever I'm ready, open it all the way. Somebody said try just cracking the valve. You don't have to do that. You don't have to do that. If you got this regulator, you don't have to worry about a thing. Let me show you how good this lights. Okay, I got the top off the griddle, you know, the Blackstone part. All you got to do is turn the gas on. You can hear it hissing, and light it up with and you can see it burning. And it's a beautiful, nice blue flame. You can turn both burners on. The igniter on mine quit working on this side, but the igniter on the other side still works. And you can see that beautiful flame. There's a little bit of yellow there, but you can even turn up the pressure if you need to. Turn it up very slightly. You can hear it. You can hear it running. You hear it? It's burning great. It's working perfectly. All I had to do is replace the regulator. And like I said, I'll put a link. I'm going to shut this off. I'll put a link in the description for the regulator that I bought. And if you're having problems getting your Blackstone to light and you've reset the regulator and had no luck with it, junk that old regulator. Go to Amazon. It was $22. $22 for the new regulator. It's variable, adjustable. It works perfectly. I've lit it about 4 times now without a problem. Keep my fingers crossed and hope it continues to work like it wants to. Keep the tank closed so I don't lose all my propane. And yeah, that's it. I was going to show you the fitting underneath, but it's kind of a hassle to get to. The one I bought has a 4-foot hose. You don't need a hose that long. I don't know if they have a shorter one or not, but the important thing was you need a variable regulator. So anyway, yeah, that's how I fixed my Blackstone griddle. Anybody that's got any questions, want to talk to me about it, my email, I'll put my email in the description so you can get a hold of me. Ask me anything you want. I'll tell you whatever I know. I don't know much, but I got my thing fixed, I'm happy to say, and it's working perfectly. Thanks for watching. Bye.